Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Ritum News. Tensions are escalating in the two hill states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand over the issue of mosques and shrines. In Himachal Pradesh's Sanjoli, locals have taken to streets to protest the construction of unauthorized religious structure. Meanwhile, in Uttarakhand, the government has demolished several unauthorized shrines built on government and forest land using bulldozers. This situation has sparked a debate over the demographic changes taking place in both the states. Starting with Himachal Pradesh, in 1951, the state's population had a majority of one group at 98.14%, which reduced to 95.2% by 2011. Locals claim that the population of other communities has grown rapidly over the past 10 to 12 years, as evidenced by the construction of new religious structures. According to a local organization in Himachal Pradesh, before the COVID-19 pandemic, there were 393 religious sites, which increased to 520 post-pandemic, indicating the construction of 127 new structures during this period. Residents believe this surge in construction is linked to demographic changes in the region. Turning to Uttarakhand, in recent times, significant demographic changes have been observed in several areas. The Dhami government has identified over 1,000 unauthorized shrines built on government and forest land, with more than 450 of them already demolished. There are concerns that these shrines are part of a systematic effort to occupy government land illegally. Allegations suggest that bricks are first gathered near these sites and then construction gradually begins on the land. In some places, locals have not only protested but have taken matters into their own hands by removing unauthorized structures. Additionally, recent tensions have been reported in hill areas such as Purola in Uttarkashi, Dharchula and Nandanagar in Chamoli, where concerns over the increasing presence of outsiders have been raised. Following these incidents, Chief Minister Dhami ordered immediate action. In summary, the growing local opposition to religious structures in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand indicates that the political landscape in these regions is set to undergo significant changes in the coming days. Jai Hind.